Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today we're going to explore how to restrict Safari on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to set restrictions for someone else or need reminders for yourself, I'll guide you through the steps. Controlling access and usage of certain apps has become quite simple in iOS 17 and iOS 18, which might not be released to the public yet, depending on when you're watching this video. Let's get started. The main feature we will use is the screen time section in settings. Begin by opening the settings app, scrolling down and selecting screen time. If you don't see any toggles, it means screen time might not be set up yet. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enable it. It's easy to get started with this feature, and you'll find it very helpful for managing app usage. Once everything is set up, scroll down and go to the Content and Privacy Restrictions section. Enable this section by tapping on the toggle at the top. Then tap on the Allowed Apps section. In there, you can manage a few apps, and one of them is Safari. By disabling Safari, its icon will disappear entirely, effectively restricting access to it. This is a straightforward way to ensure Safari is not used. However, if you want to restrict certain websites or types of websites rather than disabling Safari entirely, you have other options. Go to the section called Store and Web, or something similar within Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here you can click on Web Content to manage websites. You can limit access to specific sites, block certain ones, or always allow others. It's up to you to customize it according to your needs. Alternatively, you can go to the App Limits section. Start by enabling the toggle at the top, then tap Add Limit. You can choose to restrict an entire category of apps, such as all games, or limit a specific app like Safari. For this example, search for Safari and set a daily time limit. This limit can be as short as 1 minute or as long as an hour or more, depending on your preference. This sets the amount of time you can use Safari each day. When the limit is reached, a screen will notify you that the time is up, and you'll need a passcode to bypass it. You can also use third-party apps for similar purposes. One app I recommend is Opal, which provides more robust blocking options. This isn't a sponsored mention, but I've found Opal to be quite effective. It offers additional features that might be useful if you need stricter control over app usage. So, to sum up, restricting Safari on your iPhone is quite straightforward with the screen time feature. Open the Settings app, set up screen time if you haven't already, and navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions to either disable Safari entirely or manage web content. You can also set time limits on Safari through app limits. If you need more robust options, consider using third-party apps like Opal. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Foxtecc and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Peace.